Amazon's Prime Day deals are less than a week away. So as a detailer, what's that mean for you? What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's Brandon from AutoLux. As I said in the intro, Amazon's Prime Day deals are less than a week away. So today we're going to go over a couple different things that you may want to check out. See if they're going to be on sale for Amazon's Prime Day, or if you got to hold off and get those Black Friday or even regular price. Guys, welcome back to another one. As I said in the intro, going over some potential Amazon Prime Day deals. I know this one specifically was one of their early Prime Day deals, and that's actually why I picked it up. I'd never seen anything like this, and you're probably wondering what the ancient looking lawnmower thing is behind me. So what this is a Karcher S4 Twin. It is a push floor sweeper. So one of the things that I hated most about increasing shop size was having to sweep everything up with the push broom. It was terrible. You have to go around the edges, knock everything out with a regular broom, then use your push broom to push everything to the middle, and then of course sweep it up after you get everything collected. This, while it doesn't work nearly as well as a push broom, I will say that it works well enough. So let's see if we have anything in here. I can kind of show you guys. Yeah, we got plenty in here. So we'll just dump this out here on the floor. Got some leaves. All right, we got the handle back on. Let's try this again. So got some leaves, got some debris, little stick, some things just dumped out there from the holder there. I don't know if you guys are able to see that very well. Let me adjust you here. Should be able to see it now. It's all this crap here. There's a piece of plastic, some grass, just some random debris. Kind of show you guys how this thing works. So as you're pushing it, the two front brushes are spinning inward to bring everything toward the middle. And then there's brushes in the rear that are spinning like this, kicking everything up into this here holder. As you can see, all that debris that I just poured out on the floor is gone. Some bigger things will get stuck in the brushes, which is my only complaint. When you stop, you pick the thing up, you're like, oh, okay, I've got, a leaf stuck or whatever. Sometimes if you go over it again, it'll pick it right up. As long as your back wheels are spinning, the brush in the rear is spinning. So it works best in straight lines. Put a little bit of pressure down on these back wheels, and you're able to pick up most everything. As you can see, we don't have anything left under there now. I think normal price on that thing is like $219. It was on sale for $142 and some change. I had to pick it up. It was worth a shot. Not the best thing, but if you're like me and you hate sweeping your shop and you have a large area to cover and you feel that you can't find the time to do it, pick one up. It'll help you out. Even in between cars, it'll help you out. It doesn't work well in water, but as long as your floor is dry, it should be okay. Yeah, I 50-50 on that one. Other people may have better luck than I, but it does work well enough for the cost and the time savings. So again, Karcher S4 Twin Push Sweeper. Go ahead, check them out. I'll put the link in the description down below to Amazon. Check them out between October 8th and 9th, and check periodically. I know sometimes they have the lightning deals. They have certain things that aren't on sale for the entire duration of Prime Day. And like I said, this one was already an early thing, so it was on sale this past week. I was able to get it. I haven't checked lately to see what the price is or if it's still on sale, but you can check the link in the description. Check it out. If it's something that seems like it would suit you well, go ahead and pick one up. Otherwise, go ahead and pass, get yourself a regular push broom and do things the old-fashioned way. There's nothing wrong with that. So thank you guys again for watching this one. We'll have some more videos coming out here and there. We've already gone over the Weaver cordless polisher as well as the Craftsman cordless shop vac. We have some more things coming up as far as my hose reels and retractable extensions cords go. We're going to go over those next, and then see what else we can come up with that I've gotten off of Amazon that seems to be, you know, used every day or decent deals. So again, thank you guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let your friends know. Thanks.